Hey guys, this is a quick video. I'm gonna show you how to log in into your PayPal account. After I give you the website, you're gonna log in into your PayPal account, and it's easy. You enter your website name with WP-admin, and then you enter your website name or email address, and then the password that you choose for your hosting. This is how you're gonna do. When you get to the dashboard, and if it's on your cell phone, you're gonna have 3 bar in the house. So you're gonna click on the 3 bar. It will give you this page right here. When you get to this page, you're gonna go down. Let's see. From this page, you get dashboard, Woo notification, and everything. You get down to WooCommerce. That's where you need to set up everything. The shipping, the payment, everything. It's in WooCommerce. You click on setting. And from setting, you go to payment. You will see PayPal checkout. You click on manage, and you will see this blue link right here. The link will say set up or link into an existing PayPal account. You click on it, it will ask you for your email address. If I do that, it's gonna ask you for your email address. You enter your email address and you follow the step. Right now you on PayPal. You follow the step. Whatever they ask you, you're gonna do it until they ask you, do you wanna go back to WooCommerce? You will click OK. It will redirect you back to the website. This is the way you're gonna connect your PayPal with your website. L'on fin fait ça, c'est ça qui permet que ou entrer là-dedans. Parce que ça, li get en setup li, c'est que ou apprend avec ça, li permet que ou prend ni crédit card, ni debit card. OK? Songez, ou entrer dans dashboard, ou entrer dans link ça m'a toujours voyé pour vous, qui c'est non website là avec WP admin, ou bien on doit aller dans hosting ou directement. Sou kon ki jan pou fel nan hosting nan, it's a long way, but sou kon ki jan pou fel, that's fine. So, sou pa kon ki jan pou fel, mwen men toujou voye link sa bay moun nan, et password ou chwazi a se password, même password for hosting nan, se li même mwen chwazi, mwen kite, nou même le nou fini avec website la nou ka chanje l. Ok? Ki sa nou fe? Le nou fel nan cell phone, la gen ti kay la avec 3 ti baton, la pese sou 3 ou bien 2 ti baton, la vin mette nou nan pay sa kon sa. Le nou rive la, na pese sou WooCommerce. Le nou entren sou WooCommerce, na pese sou setting. Because when you click on WooCommerce, there is a drop down. You vin bo setting, the setting, ou chache payment. Nan payment la, mte geta mette PayPal checkout. You always look for PayPal checkout. Lo pese nan PayPal checkout, you sign, li ouvre sa, li mando pou signer nan account. Lo fin signer nan account, et puis ou connecter avec PayPal là, li vous retourner dans website là. Alright? Thank you à moun ki pal gade vidéo, merci. Merci à moun ki pal gade vidéo. Et sou gen problème ou gen difficulté, fèm konnen que si pou mre permettre parce que m pa ka fè li nan téléphone parce que c'est dans website nan computer même kon ki jan pou m fè li nan téléphone moyen. So gen moun ki gen Galaxy, gen moun ki gen iPhone. So moi trouve que li trop emmerdant pour moi faire dans tous les devices yo. On just fait li dans computer seulement et nous même si nous gen question na relem na poser une question. Pas oublier téléphone dans 757 818 42 72.